Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in Sweat Wallet app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in your Sweat Wallet app, first and foremost, you need to tap open your Gmail. There you will find the activation mail. So simply tap on it, and once you tap on that link, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So simply tap on the login option once again, and after you do so, you need to now tap in with login with Sweatcoin. After this, give access to approve login. Once this process is also done, you will get logged in your Sweat Wallet account. However, to get logged in into your Sweat Wallet account, you need to first of all download the Sweatcoin app and earn some points by walking some steps. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.